Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sharmitha and I hope you guys are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys the most minimalistic, simplest, inexpensive makeup look possible on this planet with just 3 products. It's very inexpensive, guys, and especially if you're a person who doesn't know how to put makeup, or if you are running late, and if you are a lazy person, or if you wake up late in the morning before office or college or whatever, then you should definitely keep watching this video. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys the most minimalistic makeup, as I said. So we just need 3 products: a concealer, kajal / eyeliner, a lipstick, or if you want to go a little more simple, you can also use a mascara. So I'm just gonna start. So I just have a moisturizer on my face. I usually use Nivea Soft Light Moisturizer. I'm gonna leave all the links down below to all the products I'm using. They're very basic, very simple, and they're not expensive at all. So yeah, the first one I'm using is Maybelline New York Age Rewind. It's in the shade Sand, so it's perfect for my skin. So what I usually do is that since we have a lot of pigmentation, most of us have pigmentation, especially Indians, I just like to cover up my dark circles. If I have any acne, I usually have acne, so a little bit of acne and any other pigmentation I have, but I'm not overdoing it. It's very light so that it doesn't look too much makeup kind of look. So yeah, I would usually use a beauty blender, but now that I have all my stuff at Bangalore and I don't have anything here, I'm just doing it with my fingers. So that is what I do for my concealer part. Now moving on to, sorry, my hair is just a mess. Okay, so the next thing is I'm going to show you a tip of how to use your lipstick in 3 different ways. Now generally we use it as a lipstick, obviously. So the one I'm using right now is actually Lakme. I don't know the shade. It's Cherry Rose. I got it from one of my friend, so I don't exactly remember. So first thing is lipstick, and the next thing I do is very I don't know what to say. So the next thing I'm going to do is smile, and then just 2 to 3 dabs on your cheeks. So you can do this when you want to get that rose cheeky kind of look, and just dab it how you would do with your concealer. And then the next step is take a little bit on your finger. So I just take a little bit and I tap it on my upper eyelid. So that is for my eyelids. And the next part is a mascara or a kajal. Now why either of the one is that if you're a person who has long lashes and you want to enhance it, you can definitely go with just mascara. Or if you're a person, I would usually go with just mascara because I have very long lashes. But if you're a person who has big eyes, or you want to enhance your eyes more and draw all the attention to your eyes, then you can obviously get this. It's Nykaa Rock the Line Kajal. So what I do is not just use it like kajal but also as eyeliner, because it doesn't smudge a lot comparatively to other kajal. So what I do is just put it as eyeliner first. Always, I learned this trick when I was when I passed my 10th grade and I had this night out with my friends, and one of my friends taught me this trick that you pull your eye and then you put the eyeliner. I never knew that. I put this kind of thing. I was actually trying to keep it small, but I put this more and I had to do this. It's just eyeliner problems. Okay, so the next thing, the next tip is that you put it as a kajal first. So I wouldn't put it till the end because I just like it till here, and I think it makes it look more better. And same this side. Now, the best thing you could actually do with kajal is that to make it look more bigger, you put kajal even at your upper waterline, like this. So what it makes is it just gives your eyes a fuller look because you have eyeliner and then kajal and then upper waterline also like black, so it looks completely beautiful. And that's it, guys. I know it was very simple, but I would, if I'm actually running late, then I would use mascara. And this mascara is the Hyper Curl Volume Express Easy Wash. Again, all the links down in the description. And that's it. This is my final makeup look. I hope you liked this video. If you did, you know what to do. Like, share, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and bye.
Yeah, baby girl, you're so damn fine, though. Wanna know if I can hit it from behind, though. I'm sipping on you like some fine wine, though. When it's over, I press rewind, though.